Sir, regarding po sa pag-cut short ng speech ni President Duterte sa Nikkei Forum last Friday, Foreign Secretary Teddy Locsin believes it is an act of rudeness sa part po ng Nikkei organizers. Hindi daw po dapat nililimitahan yung speech ng mga heads of state sa mga ganong event. So,
Was it Nikkei organizers that did it or our own protocol? Kasi if you notice, yung protocol natin pumunta rin sa kanya at pinapalala na siya, meron siyang meeting with the Prime Minister. Meron talaga siyang meeting kay Prime Minister. Nag-aantay na si Prime. Di ba sabi niya, nag-aantay na pala si Prime Minister.
so sir, hindi po kayo naniniwala, hindi nyo po sinasang-ayunan yung paniniwala ni...
Kung Nikkei ang nagsabi, tama si Secretary Locsin. Pero napansin ko, pumunta rin yung protocol, parang seconds lang ang pagitan.
So you also believe that it was an act of rudeness sa part po ng Nikkei organizers?
Rude yun. Kasi you don't stop a president from delivering a speech ahead of state. But as far as the protocol is concerned, we have to remind the president na meron pa siyang schedule na iba.
By saying so, sir, so na-insulto po yung Pangulo?
Well, he did feel insulted. He made fun of it. If you notice, he made light of it.
Does it have an effect sa relationship po ng Philippines at Japan?
Oh, no, I don't think so. Hindi naman siguro. Most likely, if I may hazard a guess, baka kaya rin nagpasabi kasi baka kinontak na rin sila ng Nikkei organization ng Office ng Prime Minister to remind the President. Hindi natin alam kung ano nakalagay ng note.
Pero hindi naman po na-orient ang Philippine delegation na may time limit. Kasi po, umalis din po dun sa speech si President twice.
None that I know. Hindi ko alam. Walang sinabi ang protocol. Pero actually, alam mo, hindi natin alam kung ano nakalagay dun sa note. Sinabi lang ni Presidente na pinapestap siya. Di ba? Pwede rin naman na baka nagbibiro na naman si Presidente. Pero I don't think that's an issue. It would be an issue kung talagang oy, tama niya, Mr. President, tama ka na magsalita. Ibang usapan na yun.
Pero sir, this instance po will not hinder the President to attend other Nikkei conferences in the future?
I don't think so. Si Presidente naman he's a very reasonable man.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Pia?